it. Have you ever looked in the mirror at night and thought, why does my skin look more tired than I feel inside? Fine lines, dull skin, dryness, or those little wrinkles that suddenly appear after 40, you're not alone. Many people say, I sleep enough, I eat okay, so why does my face still look tired? Today, we'll talk in simple words about aging skin, how night care really works, and where Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Plus Peptide Night Moisturizer fits into a healthy, natural skin routine, especially for people 40 and above. So relax, listen till the end, and let's take care of our skin the gentle way. As we cross 40 or 50, our skin starts changing slowly and naturally. Here's what usually happens. Skin becomes drier natural glow, reduces fine lines appear around eyes and mouth. Skin feels loose or tired overnight. Recovery becomes slower. This is normal. It's not a disease. It's simply aging. At night, our skin repairs itself. That's why night care is more important than any daytime routine. Products like Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Plus Peptide Night Moisturizer are designed to support the skin's natural night repair process, not to replace healthy habits. Let's talk about a simple, stress-free routine anyone can follow. Step 1. Gentle cleansing before bed. Wash your face with a mild cleanser. Avoid harsh soaps. Lukewarm water only. Clean skin absorbs moisture better. Step 2. Use a light night moisturizer. A night moisturizer like Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Plus Peptide is meant to support smoother looking skin, help with dryness, make skin feel softer by morning. Use a precise amount, gently massage, no rubbing. Avoid eye area if skin is sensitive. Remember, more cream does not mean faster results. Step 3. Sleep matters. No cream works if sleep is poor. Aim for 7 to 8 hours sleep on a clean pillowcase. Try sleeping on your back. Creams help, but lifestyle matters more. 1. Water intake. Dry skin often means dehydration. 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Coconut water or lemon water helps too. Simple diet tips for better skin. Add these to your meals. Fruits: papaya, apple, orange, nuts, almonds, walnuts, eggs or lentils. For protein: green vegetables. Healthy skin starts from inside. 3. Gentle face exercise. 1 minute daily. Smile wide. Hold 5 seconds. Puff cheeks. Hold 5 seconds. Massage jawline gently upward. This improves blood flow and glow. With a consistent routine, you may notice skin feels softer in the morning, less dryness and tightness. Face looks more fresh and relaxed. Better confidence without heavy makeup, more comfort going out naturally. This isn't about looking 20 again. It's about looking healthy, confident, and comfortable at your age. Always patch test new products. Use slowly, 2 to 3 times a week if skin is sensitive. Avoid mixing too many products. Natural care plus patience equals best results. A cream supports your skin, but you support your body. Aging is not something to fear. It's a sign of experience, wisdom, and strength. Taking care of your skin is not vanity, it's respect. If you are over 40 or 50, remember, small daily habits make the biggest difference. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who wants healthy, natural skincare after 40. More simple health and wellness tips are coming soon. Take care of yourself and your skin every night. Thank you for watching.